everyone! In this video, I'm going to give a shout out to my friend Anna, who's in Italy. And she asked me if one day I would make a video of how I packed for my trips, especially if I pack in all carry-on. So I'm going to turn this video around and show you all the things that I'm going to fit in my 40-liter backpack. So here you can see all of the things that I packed for a 3-week trip from Central Asia, which is cold right now with snow, to Southeast Asia for a beautiful Christmas and New Year's in Thailand and Penang, Malaysia. And so you can see I have some outerwear. This is to get me from the cold to the hot, some bottoms, some tops, 2 dresses and a nightgown, a bikini, scarf, hat, buff, and headband for working out, my underwear and socks, and I have toiletries in the green bag. I have toiletries that are not liquid in this kind of plasticky bag. I have toiletries that are liquid, some feminine hygiene products, my straightener, which I actually haven't really used. The goldish bag has some fun jewelry to dress stuff up. I have an eye mask, and the mesh red bag has emergency first aid stuff. You can see I actually went a little bit overboard on shoes. I brought 4 pairs, however, 3 of them are really light and don't take up any space. And then I'm bringing this Osprey trail kit duffel on this trip, and also my Longchamp Le Pliage backpack purse, which is proving to be really useful. So here's just an overview of all the things that I've brought, and I'm going to roll everything and show you what it looks like after they've been ready to pack. So as I mentioned, I'm going to be packing this Osprey trail kit duffel 40 liter, and it has lots of compartments. It was actually meant for someone who's mountain biking, so they can put all their gear in this, put it in their following car or van, and then be about their way. But actually it's been really great for traveling. So in order to pack this thing, I've put all of my clothes in this Eagle Creek large packing cube. I'm just going to lay it in the main body of the bag. Then I have got my 3 smallest packing shoes. So my Tiva sandals, my flip-flops, and these are my butterfly twist flats that fold up to fit into a little bag. I'm just going to sit them in the bottom. This area is meant for your shoes. Then I'm also going to stick my REI packable down jacket in here, and my rain jacket, which I've put in a small Eagle Creek packing cube. And these things will zip up nicely. And there, I have my shoes and my outerwear all tucked nicely in there, with space to spare in here. Actually, I also think I managed to shove my underwear in this pouch too. And my reasoning behind that was I shouldn't need extra underwear, shoes, or outerwear when I'm just in the airport, so it should work out alright. Next, I'm going to pack the random things that aren't in a packing cube. So I have, this is my stash belt, and I can wear this to put around my hips to put money or passport inside if I want to while we're on long haul flights, or if we had decided to go to the full moon party here, maybe I could pack all my things in here so I wouldn't have to bring a bag, but alas, we did not go to the party. So there's an extra little pocket here, so I'm going to put all these extra random things in this pocket. So that would be my hat for when we end up going to Kazakhstan on our way back to Tashkent. And this is my sun hat that packs really nicely, it folds down. And then I'm also going to pack my kind of extra fun things that I brought. So this is my exercise band for my working out. I'm going to pack in this side pocket, which looks like it was meant for a water bottle. And then I'm going to pack, we brought cards for doubling our fun, because we have Uno and Exploding Kitties. And then this kind of vintage deck of cards that my husband got for Christmas. We're going to pack that in there. I also have a collapsible water bottle that I'm going to end up putting in this pack as well, this pocket as well. I'm just going to zip that all together like so. And then I'm going to add to this kind of random assortment of things my pouch with the jewelry, and also my this is my travel straightener. So it's going to go in here. And then I'm going to pack the toiletries. So there's still a little pocket here of stuff here. I'm just going to put it in here nicely. And then I'm going to put the liquids on top. I'm going to go ahead and zip this pouch. Then on this side there's an extra pouch. This has mesh pockets, so you can, store your house keys. You don't need them for your vacation. So I'm going to put the medicine kit in here and the Lady Time products in here. And that's just in case we end up having to have medical needs. And I can just quickly open it and know where they are. And actually I stuffed the bag a little bit more now since all of my clothes are in this bag. So it's a little bit harder to zip, so I'm just going to zip it up. And then I have one extra pouch here at the top. This could be for, like, if we purchase a little snack and I want to have it in there. So now my Osprey is ready to go. And into my purse backpack from Longchamp Le Piège, it's going to be my phone, wallet, passport, Kindle, and headphones. And I also have a shopping bag, reusable shopping bag in case I need it, and a little makeup case for necessary things. But notice that I didn't pack my sneakers yet, and that's because my biggest travel tip for you as you're traveling all carry-on is to wear your heaviest items on the plane, your most bulky items. So the pair of pants that I had put in here, I'm actually going to wear them on the plane tomorrow, as well as these shoes with the socks that are there. And I'll probably actually end up needing to wear one of my jackets because it's gotten cold here. Not necessarily cold, but it's rainy. So it won't be as packed tomorrow because I'll need to be wearing some of the outerwear, but here's what the backpack looks like all packed up. And here's what it looks like on. Here's my 40 liters ready to go, ready to fit above the seat or below the seat in front of me. And here we are already.